Hi, myself, my name, yes. Uh, uh, Relax, guys. I don't speak like that. But if you do and are not able to communicate well in English, and this makes you do not crack the interviews, you find it difficult to hold conversations with your colleagues at workplace, you're unable to deliver speeches, give presentations, and address large gatherings, and find it difficult to settle abroad because of poor spoken English, or are even not able to look for an opportunity out of English. For example, motivational speaker, career coach, public speaker, or any other kind of orator, then this video is exactly for you. Hi once again, and I'm Vandita Shukla, research analyst at Scalar Academy. And today I'm going to tell you how to speak confidently and fluently in English with zero investment, zero coaching classes, and with 6 basic golden tips. But first of all, we need to understand that English is just any other language. So if you are able to communicate well in your native language, it means learning spoken English would be just a piece of cake for you. So don't worry, quit all your fears and begin learning spoken English. So the first tip is reading. Start reading newspaper headlines, or maybe the detailed news, your novels, books, even the pamphlets that you get at your home or the restaurant menu. Anything and everything that comes in your hand, begin reading it. At times, you will find it difficult to pronounce certain words. You would be reading certain words for the very first time. Refer a dictionary or Google search them. Take the help of voice assistant and get the exact pronunciations. This will improve your spoken English from basic level and will also enhance your vocabulary. So there are 2 things that you're getting just by reading. Tip number 2 is Netflix and chill. Do not worry, guys. Netflix and Spotify can actually enhance your spoken English. Tune into any English Hollywood movie or any English song and just follow 3 basic steps to improve your spoken English. Step number 1, listen and decipher. So when you're listening to a song or you're watching a movie, try to decipher the words the speaker says and understand them. And in the step number 2, that is to speak along, try to speak with the speaker. You could do it from the first hand, or you could just listen to the movie at the very first time and speak at the second time when you're watching it. You can pause, you can repeat as many times as you want, but get the pronunciations right. In the step number 3, you are not allowed to stop the video, repeat the video. You just have to match the pace, match the delivery, get the expressions right. Now what will happen is, you will learn to pronounce words and you will also get the delivery. You will get the vocal variety, different kinds of expressions, pitches, tones, modulations, and you will speak like any native speaker that is from America or any parts of the Europe. Tip number 3 is to think in English. For example, you're going to a restaurant and you have to order a burger. Will you say, "Bhaiya, burger hai kya?" No, right? You would try to say, "Hey, can I get a burger?" How will this happen? Some of the people try to think these kind of sentences in their mind, in their native language, and then convert it to English. But this process is not going to help you in the long run. Instead, try to frame sentences and compose them in English first hand. It will be difficult, but slowly and suddenly you will get how to think in English and then deliver. Because science says what you think, you act. So start thinking in English. Tip number 4, talk to yourself. You are the best audience that you can ever get. Stand before a mirror. Before any D-Day, for example, your interview or the day of presentation, get the content and rehearse it. You will get prepared for the relevant questions that the audience can put up for the content that you have delivered, and you will get the answers as well. This will build your confidence to an immense level because now you have rehearsed how to deliver, and you know how to pronounce certain words, and you know the relative questions that can be put up. So just stand before your mirror and rehearse. Practice, practice, and practice. Step number 5, participate. What are you waiting for? You're sitting with your family or your colleagues and you're discussing maybe today's political issues or the rise in petrol prices. But remember, all the conversations have to be initiated in English. Your friends might mock at you. Your family may not like it. But it is for your own personal growth. So start speaking in English and participating in conversations in English for the very first time. You can even take part in the contest, for example, Model United Nations or certain debates that happen in institutions or any other platform. You could even participate in spill poetry sessions or any stand-up comedy sessions as well. But remember, everything in English. There are certain public speaking clubs like Rotaract, Toastmasters, which invite guests for free and give them a platform to speak in English. You can try them as well. Just Google it. Tip number 6, speak with me. She sells seashells on a seashore. You must be thinking that I'm here just for fun. No, right? This is a tongue twister. You can get similar tongue twisters from Google. Try repeating them as many times as you want. This will give you a definite kind of pace and a clarity just like a native speaker. You get it? These simple 6 golden tips can help you improve your spoken English to a much greater level. Because it's not just about clearing the interview. It's also about leading a team at your workplace. And this will only happen when you communicate well. There are millions of opportunities waiting for you if you get spoken English right. If you have any comment, any feedback for the tips that I've shared, or you know some other tips that can improve spoken English, do put them on a comment section below. And for any other relative career tips or some other aspects that you want to know that can help you boost your programming or your career in software engineering, Skiller Academy is the best place. Keep viewing, keep subscribing, and share as much as you want. Bye-bye.